Hello Budgie Nation, we are leaving to Austria, Vienna, and we are visiting oldest zoo in the world and visiting largest pet store. But before we leave to Austria, we need to clean Budgie room, and I have a help. Look. Hello Budgie Nation, we are leaving. Hello Budgie Nation, I'm on my first day to explore Vienna and pet stores, and I hope I will find something interesting for my budgies. And I hope I will not get lost, because this is my first time in Austria and Vienna. So thanks to Google Maps, I found a first pet store to visit. So far looking amazing, but I can't find budgie stuff or aquarium, only dogs and cats. So there is something special here. It's iodine. I will get this for my budgies. Great. This store is great, but I need to find larger. I didn't get lost yet. Now I'm going to visit another pet store, but I'm afraid there will be no for budgies or birds.
Für ein soziales Medium oder was?
Wow, this is mind-blowing because I'm inside Budgie's aviary at the zoo and it's quite huge. And this is my new project to make. They have so much space. I mean, huge space. You need at least a whole day to explore all of this. This is an amazing zoo. It is super clean and habitats are amazing. I would live there. And Mila is asleep. What is most impressive in Vienna is that there is a Budgerigar lab at Vienna University. They are conducting interesting acoustic research. I didn't get access to their aviary of 25 birds because the staff was away. They began testing their preferences for different acoustic stimuli using a paradigm where the birds could choose what they want to listen to. They are also studying natural Budgerigar behavior such as their vocalization. They are also doing research on DNA cloning of bacteria for agriculture. Guten Tag, Budgie Nation. It's 8 in the morning and today's mission is to reach end of the city and visit largest pet store in Vienna. And I hope this time I won't get lost. Hey, update. So I'm walking because tram was stuck for accident. Yay, so I need to walk all the way to my pet store. Interesting. I'm in the middle of nowhere. So this is really outside of city. So I need to walk. Now I'm moving to opposite direction of my pet store because there is a train line and I can't pass that. Great, this track is closed and I can walk on this track. I need to find a way to cross these train tracks. This was already a great adventure. So I arrived thanks to one girl. We take a bus. So here we go, pet store. this will be a great budgie fountain. Looks really huge, and everything for cats and dogs again. I'm looking for birds. So this is pretty much a rabbit's heaven. It's amazing. Yeah, fishes are great, but let's get to budgies. So I'm lucky that this pet store is not near me, because I will be bankrupt. I can hear budgies. They are there. This is really huge. Millet bag. Wow, they will be mind blown. And they are vitamins. Wow, grass. And these are baby parrot formula, but I didn't see for budgies or little birds. This cage is amazing. There is so much choice and options you can get. Everything you need for bird. And there is a lot of wooden toys, ladders, perches. This is something interesting. I wish I could take this on airplane. And here are a little expensive. 89 euros for cockatiel. Here budgies are almost 50 euros, and I got my cookie only for 7 euros. That is mind-blowing. And this aviary is amazing for budgies, and I got so much idea for my aviary. This is a truly amazing experience, but I'm in a hurry. I need to catch a bus. So Budgie Nation, Vienna was great, but it's time to get back home to my budgies. And I'm finally back to my Budgie. And now what I need to do is to clean this mess.
Watch next. Previous video or food you should never give your Budgerigar pet. Visit our official webpage for more information and Budgie care.